Hey YouTube, how's everybody doing? My name is JC and I want to welcome you to the Cuban Redneck DIY channel where we do things on the cheap, not only because I am frugal and cheap, but I demand value for my dollar. Nowadays, that's not very easy to achieve. So thank you for stopping by. Special thanks to those who have subscribed. If you haven't already done so, man, throw me a bone, hit that little button. So I was making some coffee this morning. Had a sticky note on the fridge from the wife, says, I left something on your bench for you to fix. No problem. Come over to the garage. Here we have another string of Christmas lights that half of it is not lighting up. So I don't know if it's just me, but it seems like every year I'm fixing these things. Now, most people just throw them out, but it's important to know that these are very simple to fix. And although we are 10 months away from another holiday season, decided to make a quick little video and show you how to fix them. Stick around.
Too often when you search the internet for how to fix Christmas lights, you run into articles and or videos talking about replacing the Christmas light fuse. In my experience, the Christmas light fuse is rarely the problem. You see, Christmas lights are not wired in parallel like chandeliers and other multi-bulb applications, but rather they are wired in series. This means that if one bulb goes out, none of the other bulbs gets any power, therefore they don't light up. When you have 2 or 3 bulbs, this is not an issue, but when you have 100, 200, 300, what do you do?
Okay, now that you have a little bit of an understanding of how Christmas lights work, let me show you how to fix them. To fix them, we're going to need a non-contact electrical tester. This one's a little bit of an off scale, costs about $25, but know that you can buy these things for like $5 at Harbor Freight, Lowe's, Home Depot, everywhere. I've even seen them at the dollar store, although I'm not sure this is something I would buy at the dollar store. Things that you should have around the house, whether you do DIY projects or not, is a hammer, a flat screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and an AC tester. So let me show you. Okay guys, so the first thing that we need to do is test our tester. The way this device works is you turn it on by holding the button, and when you get it near power, it makes that beeping sound. Second thing we're going to do is we're going to spread the string that is not working. Now this is it's a 100 light string, so it makes no sense to go one by one. Normally what I do is I go every 5 or 6 of them, and if I find an interruption in power, I'll work myself backwards. So let's go here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're going to go to this one. What you're going to do is you're going to separate the line like that with your hands, with your fingers. You got power there, you got power there. So we're good there. All right, and let's just go to another one here. We don't have power there. Power there. Come on. Okay, so we have power in the input and no power in the output. That indicates that that bulb is blown. Let's try a replacement. Voila! We have lights. So I don't know if the camera can, by the way, first of all, this method only works on incandescent lights. It does not work on LED. For LEDs, you will need a tester. Costs about $25 to $30. I would, if your LED lights go bad, I strongly suggest you trash them, and I strongly recommend that you buy incandescent. Not only, and I'm not even sure if the camera can show that, but this gives the Christmas tree such a nice look to it. Second thing is, as you see, is the blinking. I'm not aware of economical LED lights that blink. I'm sure there's one out there because there are blinking LEDs available, but they're not rarely available. Where this one's off. And you can convert any one of these strings by just adding a blinking LED, blinking light. With that said, this is a pretty simple fix. and I hope you took something away from this video. My name is JC. This is the Cuban Redneck DIY channel. I look forward to having you as a subscriber, and I'll see you on the next video.